How to clear TradingView watchlist. Are you guys facing issues to remove your TradingView watchlist? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on a device. Once you open the TradingView, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this watchlist icon. Tap on it. To remove your watchlist, just simply click on this delete icon and repeat the same step for all the currencies or stocks. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna remove watchlist or clear watchlist on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.